guys, so why do I always clap? I don't know why. That's actually really sus. Welcome to my channel, guys. I know it's been a while. It's been like a week or two or something like that. But I'm just gonna go ahead and just jump right into this. I don't have a good excuse except for I need to work on my channel like a lot. I need to work on my channel like OD. But anyway, so I'm going for this look that I seen from this makeup artist on Instagram called Stacy Marie MUA, I think, something like that. If I find the picture, I will insert it right here. So first things first, you can do this for like a prom look. So that's what I'm trying to go for. I'm just gonna attempt to do this look, you know, because she's super talented. Black lipstick. This is from the Anastasia Lip Palette Volume 1. So what I'm going to do is just apply it onto my lid, because this is going to be a smoky eye, and this is like the darkest black I have. Just make yourself look like you have a black eye. I still feel like this is not black enough, so I'm just going to have to like finesse. I'm going to use a brush like this. This is just like a round brush. And blend this out as good as I can. Keep in mind it's a lipstick, so it takes a little bit more effort to blend because it's not a shadow. And also make sure you're focusing it where you want it to, and you don't want it to go like all the way over here, because that'll really mess up your entire face if you do your face first. I prefer to do my eyes first, especially when I'm playing in like shadows that I'm not too comfortable with, or dark shadows that or something with fallout, you know. I'm going back into that black and placing it on the lid area once more. And before I blend that out this time, I'm gonna go into the Huda Beauty Smoky Obsessions into this black shade right here. And I'm going to pack that on top of it. This black shade is really black. I really fuck with it. And I'm going to blend that out. I'm just focusing it mainly on the outer corners, because I want it to be seamless. I'm going to go into my JACLYN Hill palette and into the shade right here. And use that to blend out the edges of the black. Yeah, so it should look something a little bit like this. So I'm going to go and do the same thing to this eye right here. I'm going to go into my Fenty Beauty Galaxy palette and take this shade right here and put that into the inner corner of my eye, as you see me doing right now. Next, I'm going to go into this shade right here and place that in the same direction. I'm going to go back into the Huda Beauty Smoky Obsessions palette and go into the gold. And I'm putting that into the inner corner and also in the inner part where I put the other shimmer shades. I'm using this black pencil to line my waterline. This is going to give it more of the smoky effect. So next I'm going to go ahead and take the Shock Mascara from YSL and put those on my lashes to accentuate them a little bit more. After, I'm going to use the black shadow under my waterline. And next I'm going to use the YSL Blur Primer. One of my favorite primers out there, y'all. I'm going to use the True Match foundation in the shade Espresso. And I'm just going to blend that into my skin. I'm going to use my concealer. This is going to be listed down below. I can't think of it from the top of my head, but it's actually very, very good. I love it. So everything that you need to know will be listed down below. Also, I always put all the products I use in the description box. I'm blending out my concealer like always. I just love blending out concealer. It just makes me look so beautiful and highlighted and like so anime looking. So I'm just going back into the shadow, and now I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me powder, and this is actually so new to me, but I fell in love. It matches the concealer perfectly. It doesn't look too yellow, too orange. It wasn't too cakey. It was soft and it felt really nice. These lashes are Jade from Huda Beauty, and I'm going to be using my Espresso. A lot of people say that this isn't my contour shade. I don't use it as a contour. I use it to bronze up and give me a warmth back into my face because I look a little bit gray. So I use it to give me a little bit of red undertone. I'm just blending out that nose contour. As you can see, like, it toned out that redness a little bit and it gave it a little bit of warmth. So I like to go back into the setting powder to cut underneath the contour because it gives it more precise, clean look. Looks amazing. I'm using these to blush and blushing up my face right with it. I like a little bit of orangey, pinky hint to my cheeks. I think if you're dark skinned, you should definitely look into blushing up. Blush looks so amazing on our skin tone. Now I'm going to use this MAC powder. This is the NW58, and this is my shade. It's just going to dust away and blend out everything together because you don't want to walk around with like creases on your face and just you can tell where everything is. Using this highlighter from the palette, and I'm lightly highlighting my face. I've calmed down a lot with using highlighter because I used to really just overdo it. And I'm just highlighting the basic areas that I usually do. And I'm using this brown lip pencil from Urban Decay, lining my lips with it. This is the perfect brown lip liner that I've ever found. This is actually for your eyes, but I like to use it as my lips. And I'm using the Urban Decay lipstick. And then this is the Huda Beauty lip gloss. Lastly, I'm going to spray my face with some primer water and give y'all some slow-mos. I really hope you guys enjoy this look. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know if you guys want to see any other videos. Just comment down below. Let me know what you want to see from me. Toodaloo, motherfucker. I'm kidding. Bye.